Hey viewers, today we're getting a big snowstorm in Washington, D.C. Also, the cherry blossoms seem to be over. They didn't like the really cold weather. I went to check them at the circle, and some of the petals are starting to go brown. So I think they're done. First time that has ever happened in the history of the cherry blossoms here in Washington, D.C. Also, I wanted to check Filippo's and see what he was going to do about the snowstorm. Luckily, he got a volunteer to come so he could leave early. So you'll actually get to see how he manages on his wheelchair because he has to go all the way back to Virginia where he lives. Anyway, I hope you come along. The view of the cherries from my window. The view from street level. The Tahiti daffodils, my favorite. One thing I hate about Washington, D.C. is they put salt everywhere before a snowstorm. As you can see, the cherry blossoms are not looking good. The petals are starting to go brown. There's the White House. Let's go say hello to Filippo's. I just love daffodils. They're so pretty.
Hello, welcome to the William Thomas Memorial Anti-Nuclear Peace Vigil. Seated across the street from the White House once again. Been back in position for about the last 9 days.
So Filippo's, how are you preparing for the snowstorm?
Well, I got a good bowl of soup from my good friend DCfred. And I am leaving behind 3 blankets, and there's 2 more blankets already here. So that's going to be here for but of course diligent, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Winter, blizzard, summer, hurricane, whatever comes our way, we stay diligent for world peace against nuclear and atomic weapons. I would suggest anybody thinking of coming out here maybe wearing using hand warmers and in their shoes, foot warmers. And tomorrow when I come back, I'm sure the snow won't be cleaned up. So, Josh Casey will be here I'll do some of the night, but he'll do the overnight part. And I just hope the brother, he won't leave. It's okay. I mean, it's not gonna drop down to like I did one time where it was -14, but the news said that the wind chill factor brought it down to -28. It's not going to get that bad. Maybe 15 above 0. That's like a cakewalk for the people at the Vigil. I pledge allegiance to the corporatization of these United States of America, The death blow of the corporation is the corporatization of the White House with the monster beast that's possessing the Oval Office in these times. And to the Republic, which he goes against with in every decision he makes, one nation, will it survive? Under God, if you choose to believe, or if you don't, that's fine as well. With liberty and justice for all, meaning not against any. Liberty and justice for all never means we pick and choose who liberty and justice is for. Yummy. Maybe about 80% as good as my grandma used to make, and as good as my mom used to make. Meaning, well, sorry, Mom, grandma's was better than yours. I forgot my keys. Not my keys, my phone. So then I came back down, and when I came back down to pick up my keys, and my phone. And as I come back down, the photographers from the Washington Post are taking snow off the top of the Vigil and putting it on Connie's jacket and around her thing around her helmet, because they're going to take a photo that she stayed during that blizzard. And she hadn't stayed during that blizzard. I stayed during that blizzard. And once again, the Washington Post trying to make everything about the Vigil Connie.
Many people don't realize that Filipos is disabled and needs to use a wheelchair. These are the cherry blossoms right in front of the National Geographic. Scott Circle as the sun is setting. Thank you for watching.